Good afternoon, everyone. It is November 1st, first day of November, and week 5. Okay, now the class description is where we're going to begin, because in this set, we're going to be going into Unit 3, and the title of Unit 3 is Places. And Places is all about where you want to go, or where you are from, or where you have been. So we're talking about places that you like, or maybe even places that you don't like, but we're going to be talking about places. Now, what I want to do with this particular presentation style is not a walking video. What I want you to do with this, we've done walking videos now for Unit 1 and Unit 2. And by the way, this is the sample walking video for Unit 2. Okay. What I want you to do, oh, wait a minute. What's that doing there? That's in the wrong place. Okay, hang on a second. This is supposed to go. Oh, that's not in the right place. Okay, hang on. This is in the wrong place. So I have to move this to the right place, which is in week 6. Hang on a second. There's week 9, week 7, week 6. And this is the video that I wanted to do for you today. So I have to move this back to week 5. Sorry about this. Hang on, everybody. Week 5. There it is, top section, week 5. Okay. In any case, that is the video for what I did for Unit 2. But the video we're going to be doing for Chapter 3, okay, this video, I describe a little bit in the class description. So if you look inside the class content and objective, okay, this is the big thing, okay? This presentation will be done while you're seated and using your computer. We're going to be talking about that a bit more, but we're not going to be doing a walking video for this unit. So for Unit 3, it will not be a walking video. You will be seated at your computer. You'll be using Zoom to record your presentation. And the other big difference is it'll be almost twice as long. It'll be 4 to 5 minutes in length. Okay, so it'll be a lot longer than it was before. That means that when you write this manuscript for this week, think about something that you can say for 4 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, so Unit 3, the big difference will be you're going to be seated and using your computer. So you're going to be doing a presentation in much the same way as I do when I'm teaching. You have to sit down, you have to both do your gestures and do your eye contact with the camera, but while you're seated, and it'll be a lot longer. It'll be 4 to 5 minutes of you speaking in English. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you a lot more, okay, as we go through today and next week. But I want you to know this will not be a walking video. It'll be a lot longer, okay? Okay, so that's in the class description. You can read that here, okay? There were more videos from Ready to Present. You can watch a little bit more about gestures. Here's your reflection exercise. And this video is from TED. And it's actually in Japanese, but I wanted you to listen to a Japanese person as they describe what they did when they were having problems making ideas for their job. And in your case, maybe making ideas for your presentation. Okay, so this is Takahashi Shinpei, and he did a presentation in Japanese. I want you to watch it, and this is your reflection exercise. It's due tonight, November 1st. Okay, at 11 p.m. And the question is, what do you find difficult about making your presentation content? Okay, when you make a presentation, not just for this class, but for any class, what is the most difficult thing for you to make that presentation? What do you find difficult, especially when you're trying to think of the presentation content? There's that video that I pointed out before. And this week you have to write your manuscript. That will be due this coming Saturday, okay, at 11 p.m. Okay, so for those of you who haven't been coming to class, okay, well, it's up to you, but you're missing a lot of chances to actually practice your English. If you come to me a little bit later and say that, you know, you should be getting a C instead of a C minus, I'm going to look at your attendance and say that, well, you didn't come to many classes. So please be careful. All of those things are very important. In any case, please pay attention to all of the deadlines for the assignments for this week and make sure that you send in your submissions for your manuscript submission and your reflection exercise. Okay, thanks very much. See you next time.